How to create a payment invoice. Open one app on your device and you will find 4 buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on payments, and this is a section you will be able to use to see the payments you've received and the invoices you've created. Scroll the screen upward and click on the plus button right here. And let's create an invoice. I've tapped on the one-time payment and I'm giving my invoice a name. Let's say craft fees. And then I'm giving a due date for my invoice as 5th of July, and I'm going to give a breakup. Let's say 500 pens 100. And once you've created your invoice, you can click on the save and send button, and you can decide who you want to send this invoice to. You can send it to a specific group you've created or to individual people. I'm just going to choose an individual person, and the invoice is sent out. What happens to the invoice you've created? When you tap on it, you will see that the invoice is designed in a nice template with the name of your business, your logo, and it goes in a template for you. If you click on the Send To button, which is on the top of the screen, there are 4 buttons on the top. Send To will show the people you have sent this invoice to. The history will show the number of people who've made the payment, and the print button here converts your invoice into a nice template, so you can either email, WhatsApp, or send it to anybody through other apps that are available in your phone. What happens to the parent who's received the invoice, or the customer who's received the invoice, or to anyone you have sent this invoice to? They get a notification that you have raised an invoice has been raised from this business, and when they click on it, your invoice is right there for them to make the payment. So they can either click on the Pay Now button and make the payment. We've integrated with the payment gateway, or they can click on Already Paid here in case that they have made the payment through cash or check or through direct bank transfer. And if they let you know how they have made the payment to you, you'll receive a notification in your app that you've received a payment. And when you click on the payment details, you will see that you've received the payment, and this is the payment we have raised, this is the bill we have raised, and this is the payment you've already received. You can click on the arrow button on the top right, and you can convert this receipt as well and send it to them on other platforms such as social media, email as well. Or you can email it to yourself and save a copy and keep it. The beauty about the payment invoices, when you create a due date, the app will start sending automatic reminders, so you don't have to worry about reminding your customers on the due date. Thank you.